202, go ahead.
We're speaking with a Patrick Donahue of 230 Stonehedges Road. He's reporting that his vehicle has just been taken from his driveway, described as a red Dodge pickup truck with a full tank of gas. He thinks it was a male and two females. It was last seen westbound on Stonehedges Road. The keys were in it. He doesn't know his plate. We're going to try and get that. It was taken within the last 5 minutes. Copy?
10-4. 202. Just not sure if any of the kill units are available to kind of hang in the area at 41 and 60. Or westbound, they'll probably head out to 41 maybe.
Foxtrot 092 at 10-4. We're already making our way up that way. We're just in Eganville.
Mike 404, I can head out to 41 pretty.
Smith Falls, Foxtrot 102. Can I get that marker again for the pickup?
10-4, they don't have it. I'm just trying to find it. Something's not right in the spelling of the name. Dodge red truck. It's a Dodge red truck, and I'll see if I can get that plate. Just all units regarding the stolen red Dodge pickup. It's a 2001 red Dodge pickup. Marker is 4851 November Juliet. That's 4851 November Juliet.
092, we're stationary 41 in Stonehedges.
10-4. Sure, make units. I've got a Zone 2 call for suspicious vehicle in Wilbur Heights Road. If there's someone, clear to copy.
Mike 202, I saw that. I'll take care of it after I'm done with the stolen vehicle.
10-4, thank you. I'm just going to broadcast it just in case. And just for broadcast, Wilbur Heights Road, an area of Mud Lake. Vehicle creeping along the road slowly. It's a white car with black tires, but with chrome rims. Pulled into the driveway, stopped, pulled out, and then continued creeping along the road. Pulled out onto 60 Highway westbound. No marker was obtained. It's almost as if they're looking for a residence.
Foxtrot 204, you can assign that to me. I'll take care of it.
10-4, thank you.
3 Mike 404, Smith Falls.
3 Mike 404, go ahead.
Just going to assess 202 with that call. What makes the complainant think it was a male and two females, and does he know them?
I'll skip the 21 back. It doesn't state, just says suspects a male and two women. I'll find out.
10-4.
Smith Falls, Foxtrot 102. Just an update, the driver just informed me that he had accidentally canceled the CAA and it's been reordered. Are you able to confirm with CAA towing that there is one en route to my location?
Yep, 10-4, I'll give him a call. Also, just for broadcast regarding the theft of the red Dodge Ram, the caller's brother's friend, who is at the house right now, saw a tall male and two women walking down the road. They're all wearing dark colored clothes with their hoods up. Saw them on, Shaw Woods Road, walking towards Stonehedges Road. Also advising that there are footprints on scene. And none of the parties are known to the caller or the witness who observed three people walking down the road.
Mike 404, 10-4, and thank you.
3 Foxtrot 102.
102, go ahead.
Just be advised, CAA is en route. They don't know who they're sending at this time, and they don't have an ETA, but they do have that second call after the first cancellation.
102, okay, thank you. Appreciate you checking out.
Foxtrot 092, go ahead.
Swan advised, we're heading south on Mink Lake Road now. We picked up a set of tire tracks that's just all the intersections they've been doing burnouts and kind of drifting all over the road. So we're just following this set of tracks. Might be related to this vehicle.
10-4, that sounds about right. They said that they went through the ditch, I believe, to leave their property, driving erratically.
Okay, 10-4. So, yeah, we picked it up. We're heading south on Mink Lake Road and we'll advise.
3 Mike 404, so close.
3 Mike 404, go ahead.
What was the year of the Dodge truck?
It's a 2001.
Do you know if it has a toolbox in the back?
It's a commercial vehicle, so I'm assuming it's a work truck. Colored in state.
Purdy, you still on B-line?
No, I'm out on Bulger.
Last digits of that marker, November Juliet 10-4.
10-4, 4851, November Juliet. Do you think you have it?
Yep, I'm not lighting, I don't have my lights on. I have those two last markers. I'm heading westbound on Beeline Road. If I can get another unit in front of me here before I activate my markers 10-4.
I'm on my way, Woody. I don't know if we have Daryl and Petawawa would start going that way from the other end.
402, I'm taking detachment on the phone.
10-4, so you're coming up to, is it Whiteau Station Road?
Yeah, 10-4. I just want to be clear that I don't have my lights on. 10-4.
Hold on, copy. I think it's 1019. Come center for a call in.
Here in 5 minutes or so.
Mark 202, I'm going to break off this 45, call assist 402.
10-4, thank you.
Jerome, head down 17 and pick up B-line there.
Come center, just advise the Tango unit at the 45. I'm going to be a little bit yet. The corner's on his way.
10-4.
Sorry, comm center. Can you just double check with the complainant that he's got a large silver toolbox in the back, like a truck box? Like I said, the plate's pretty dirty, but I have the last digits, November and Juliet, and to advise now pulling away from me, and I'm doing a 105, 10-4.
10-4, I'll find out. In 3 Tango 604, did you copy regarding 3 Mike 002 will be delayed?
I guess there's 3 occupants in the truck. I can see somebody in the middle. What's your 20 there, Kyle?
Just on 17, I'll coming up to B-line in about 30 seconds.
What's your 20? What do you want update?
Behind Xander's Road, speed down to 85. The lights are still not activated.
Almost to B-line.
Ahead of me on B-line. Let me know when you're there.
Woody, I'm just coming up to B-line Road there now.
Okay. I'll let you know when we're passing and then activate lights and go from there. Just get ready with the spike 10-4.
You want me to set up spike on south of B-line? Go ahead and belt it. That'll just prevent anything from initiating.
Yeah, 10-4, if we could set that up, that seems to be the vehicle. There's 2 blue toolboxes in the back, the kind that have latches that open up.
To get the marker here. There's an 8 and a 5 it starts with an alpha. Maybe a B5, 10-4. Go ahead. Go again with that marker.
10-4, 4851 November Juliet, 4851 November Juliet, and the owner did confirm about the toolboxes.
Okay, 10-4, serve you.
And where's the spike being set up? You're coming up to 17 now?
Coming up to the 17, red light.
I'm right here. What?
Yeah, I can see you on the right there, and the vehicle's just coming up. Looks like it's going to go straight. So I got Kyle to set one up before Forestly, 10-4.
That's where you want to stop?
It's about, we'll go from there. Yeah, that's okay, Kyle. You had a car in front of you, no biggie.
PCC Sarge monitoring this.
Comm center to the upper auto units 10-4.
Alright.
Copy, Sergeant McDonald. Maybe I'll try to get in front of this vehicle. And I'll light it up at the same time, see if we can slow it down, 10-4. Okay, get him now. Get in front of it.
Okay, vehicle stop. He's going to run us.
Closer. Let it go.
Yes, our vehicle's pulling away from us on Beeline Road, headed west.
4.
Lights are deactivated, vehicle pulled away, failed to stop, 10-4.
10-4, copy.
I'm in with you guys here too, behind you, Johnny.
Upper auto units, confirm that you're not in pursuit. Confirm that you're not in pursuit.
Copy that, Sarge, not in pursuit. Tried to stop it. Beeline Forestly. Stopped and then took off. Permission to fall from a distance here. My speeds are 90 kids.
Okay, 10-4. Before we do that, all three units identify yourselves, pull over to a complete stop, and give us your mileages.
Okay, Mike 02, 122, 622, Commerce, 122, 622.
404, 563, 56.7. Mike 402, 52989.
Okay, 10-4, is the vehicle out of sight?
I had it, just went over the hill on Beeline, so yeah, it's out of my sight.
Sir Mike 102, are you able to get ahead to set up a spike? I know you're 10-6.
Yeah, I'm at Beeline near Berry Street. If it's still coming towards Pet, it'll be here in a minute.
Can I go to 10-3 for a second, please?
10-4, 10-3.
Upper Ottawa units, resume regular patrol.
And then pull back out. So I'm now following that vehicle. My lights are not activated, and I'm doing 87 kilometers an hour.
What do you got cut off, buddy?
Did you copy that, 10-4?
Comm center copy.
Woody, is he coming towards Petawawa on Beeline Road? I'm on Beeline at Berry Street.
Okay. He's coming up to Forestly. He just stopped again. He's peeling off, so head up to Beeline so I get there. My lights are still not activated. I'm behind the vehicle. He's at the stop sign.
Coming towards Petawawa, or did he turn off somewhere else?
Okay. He's going up Forestly towards the highway, 10-4.
Mike 22, 17 from Round Lake Road en route to Horsley Road.
404 still behind the vehicle. It's in sight. Lights are not activated. Speed, my speed's 99. 10-4.
404, maintain that till we get out of the unit.
17 and Doran through Factory Road.
1043, Mike 102, are you able to get ahead on 17 Highway? And then 202, stay south in case it turns that way?
202, 10-4, I'm going to stay eastbound. Daryl, if you can get westbound. I won't make Forest Lake before he gets there.
Doran and 17. So that's the next intersection after Forest Lake.
404, give us an update, please.
Was it clear and bare? There is no traffic.
Hang on. It's now going eastbound on 17. Advised the comm center sergeant there that I didn't. Still not activated. And the driver went through at like 10-4.
10-4, I copy. And he copies as well.
202, 10-4. I don't know if I'll be able to get stopped in a belt in time. I think we're pretty close.
Are we able to do a rolling block on this? I'm not sure about that highway.
Okay, speeds are higher now, guys, so we're doing about 140. Is that you on the highway, Purdy?
Yeah, I'm just cresting the little hill before Round Lake Road.
Okay, he's directly behind you. There's nobody in between you and the suspect vehicle, 10-4. And then you can see me, you should see me behind you. You just went around the corner.
Yeah, I just hit the curb, so you probably lost sight of me.
10-4, I'll just call it from back here. Copy that, Purdy?
Yeah, 10-4. Couple of vehicles in front of me, one oncoming, green light at Round Lake Road.
404, what's your speeds right now?
Copy, Sarge. Speeds are 120, eastbound Highway 17, approaching Round Lake Road.
Core, and the suspect vehicle is between you and 202?
10-4. I'm directly behind suspect vehicle. The vehicle in front of that is 202, 10-4.
10-4, is there an area of guardrail or concrete wall that narrows out for you guys to make a rolling block?
Negative, Sarge. We're on the non-divided highway. We're now going northbound on Round Lake Road.
Circle the unit available. Foxtrot 202, I'm on Round Lake Road.
Round Lake Road. Sorry, southbound. And passing Lubitz Road, or Enid. 10-4. My speeds are 104. Lights are not activated.
10-4, just keep us up to date on location. 3 Foxtrot 202 is quite a ways away upon a share.
10-4, just the comm center sergeant. Because I don't have a vehicle in front of me, I'm just going to fall back. Just so that I can see the tail lights. 10-4.
10-4, that'd be preferable, thanks.
102 is calling from 17 to Doran towards Round Lake Road.
4-4, I've got about 400 meters between myself and suspect vehicle. My speeds are 105.
And Mike 002 and 402, or we can see your tail lights.
10-4. That's you, 002 behind me?
Yep.
Should we get an update at Doran Road and Round Lake Road? What direction of travel?
Still heading southbound Round Lake Road, past Doran.
Foxtrot 092, copy that. We're going to make our way to. Woody, he should be committed to Round Lake Road into our area now. Is that 10-4?
Yeah, I think he's got that, yeah, one turn to the left, but subdivision that's not, doesn't go anywhere, and he just passed it, so committed to your area. I'm about 800 meters back now, 10-4.
092, we copy. We're coming from 41. 202 is out by Bonashare. Let us know if he turns off on any road. Just knowing the area, I'm thinking the Beach Shot Lake Road right by Jack's Lake, that straightaway might be the best spot for a spike.
10-4.
Foxtrot 202, I'm at Round Lake Road, Foy Park corridor.
10-4, and you'll take care of the spike?
Yeah, 10-4. Mike 002, the roads are still clear and bare, and almost no traffic. Foxtrot 204, I'm en route to 202's location from Golden Lake.
10-4.
Foxtrot 204, it's 102. My toe is here, you got a spot you want me to head up at all? Yeah, 10-4, once you're clear, start heading west. 10-4.
202, have you got a location for a spike belt?
Yeah, I'm going to set up at Round Lake Road and Foy Park.
Okay, 10-4. Please advise when set up.
10-4.
Mike 404, what's the status?
John, if you go towards Pembroke just about 200 meters, there's a pull-off into a field on your left-hand side. That might be a little bit better spot, but you be the judge there.
Mike 404, still maintaining that distance, 600 to 700 meters behind. Lights aren't activated, and I'm doing 125 just to keep it in sight.
10-4.
10-4. I'm Mike 002. Can you go again without a fence?
Sorry, 10-9.
Looking for a fence. The theft or break and enter, small property.
10-4, still the truck.
Mike 002, just passing 87 road, 8790 Round Lake Road.
10-4.
Miller to Woody, can you just let us know you passed the Alice Ski Hill? Because after that, there's nothing but two snowmobile trails, and then where Anderson will be.
Yeah, I'm at mile mark, or sorry, I'll try to get you an address here. I think I've passed it, fella. Or it's coming up to us on the left-hand side. I'm doing 120, and I'm having a hard time seeing it.
Mike 002, we have not passed Alice Ski Hill yet.
I think it's Kelly Lake Road. I don't believe there's anything nearly up ahead anymore for turnoffs.
No, negative. If you guys are at Kelly Lake, there'll be no roads until Beach Shot or Foy Park corridor where Anderson is. There is two snowmobile trails, one on each side of the road, about halfway from where you are to where Anderson will be.
10-4, you guys are roughly 15 kilometers apart, so 15 kilometers away from 3 Foxtrot 202.
404, give us an update, please.
Still traveling the same direction. The vehicle was signaling right, and now I got it back in sight here. So it did pull over, so it looks like he's trying to find somewhere to dump it. 10-4.
Okay, 10-4. There's nothing between you and Foxtrot 202 that you can turn off, right? From what we're looking at the maps here.
Just bush roads, logging roads, and that's about it.
10-4, the units behind you, can we just make sure that they don't go down any of these trails and try to hide?
202, as you can say, if he's signaling to pull over, just watch for pedestrians on the road.
10-4, again, it's a male and 2 females.
Mike 102, I'm approaching the Alice Ski Hill, so I'm behind everybody. I'll keep an eye out for people walking.
10-4, thank you.
Traffic is light. I've passed one vehicle coming the other direction since we've been out here, and I've seen no pedestrians. 10-4. Still got the vehicle in sight. Nobody between me and suspect vehicle. 10-4.
Comp center copy, 10-4. Speeds are averaging, or what?
the corners, and then I'll do about 120 just to keep the tail lights inside 10-4.
Fine.
Would you want to keep a lookout for that pull-off at Jack's Lake? That's just before you'll get to the straightaway where Anderson is.
10-4.
You've got about 9 kilometers between you.
Turn around. It's on your left-hand side near the lake. It's where folks put in to go fishing.
I could blow to the 10-3 other than Woody, please.
Still got him in sight there. No change other than same speed. It's probably got me by about 900 meters now, about 10-4.
I could blow to the Foxtrot units. Just advise when you're set up.
Foxtrot 202 on Brown Lake Road, Floydport Corridor. I'm ready to go.
Make 404 and 3 Foxtrot 202, you're about 5 kilometers apart.
404, 10-4. Check that little dip, Johnny, on your right-hand side, just past the sign. If you went in there.
No, we're good.
Somebody behind you.
Yeah, 2 units fine.
Sergeant McDonald, stop where you are there.
Where are you stopping there? Yeah, back at the turnoff or what?
Just stay with Purdy, Kyle, till we clear that.
2.5.
I've got visual again. You can keep coming there.
2.5 kilometers. 2 kilometers. 1.5 kilometers.
500 meters between me and the suspect vehicle. My speeds are about 100 to 120 to maintain.
10-4, you're about a kilometer away.
Straightaway?
3 Foxtrot 202, 404 is coming up to you, about a kilometer.
Hit the spike belt. Hit the spike belt.
10-4.
Okay, it's gone, eh? Who's in front of me here?
Foxtrot 202.
Did it turn or did it continue on Round Lake Road?
Passing Red Rock, I don't see him, so you had that other vehicle pull out in between you. So you're saying successful spike 10-4?
Yeah, he just overtook the vehicle and I spike belt him with contact on the passenger side tires. He continued on Round Lake.
10-4, I got visual still on Round Lake Road, same direction. And I can confirm that one of his tires is smoking, so he's down a wheel. 10-4. Is there anybody in front of me?
I'm on Traymore just coming to Red Rock. If you pass Red Rock, I'll hit Traymore.
Can I get somebody ahead of me to stop traffic coming this way, 10-4?
10-4.
Red Rock, Woody. I'll cut off on Traymore Road.
10-4, past Red Rock, already passed.
Looks like a flat right rear tire, 10-4. We're passing morning something.
10-4, Round Lake Road, passing Morning Dove Lane. 204, do you copy? You'd have to go all the way around, wouldn't you, to stop traffic?
Yeah, I'm going to get onto Traymore Road. I'm probably the next closest vehicle ahead of him, unless Miller's closer now.
Yeah, Kyle, we're going to cut across Pass Road, so it'll just be a race between you and me who gets over on Round Lake first. The first one will stop traffic at Simpson Pit.
10-4, I'm on Traymore now.
404 speeds 100. I'm missing a tire. My lights are not activated. I'm going to back off a little bit here to the comm center search.
404 is 10-4. Hold yourself well back. If you can maintain a visual. What's the traffic like in that area that you're approaching?
Traffic is still light on Round Lake Road from the other direction. I probably have to ask the Foxtrot units.
Okay, 10-4. Maintain enough of a visual that we can see if he does or does not make any turns. Hopefully the other Foxtrot unit can get ahead of it.
Watch the debris on the road there, Sergeant McDonald. They just ran over the tire. He's lost the tire now. Just on rims. Copy that.
10-4.
10-4.
Passing Turner's Road. My speeds are 90. I've got about 400 meters between myself and suspect vehicle.
202, I'm just behind you.
Confirm the speed is 90k.
My speed is now 100.
10-4. If the tire out, is it able to maintain its lane?
10-4, he's not weaving, but he hasn't crossed. Copy that.
10-4, that's my main concern for oncoming.
Yeah, 10-4. Somebody could let me know as soon as they're ahead. Stop all traffic coming this direction. 10-4.
10-4, 3 Foxtrot 204, do you copy?
Yeah, 10-4. I'm going to get to Simpson Pit and try and close her down there.
10-4.
Foxtrot 204, it's Foxtrot 102. I'm going to hit 16 Simpson Pit.
My speeds are 100 and I'm well back now. Just passing Bonashare Baptist camp, I believe.
On the raceway? Woody from Miller. I think you're going to get to Round Lake Center before we will. Do you want us to set up somewhere else with a second belt?
Yeah. 10-4. Actually, if somebody can get in front of me, and we can ask the comm center Sarge here, but I think rolling stop at this point. This vehicle is disabled and needs to stop. 10-4.
Yeah, 10-4. Do you have a straightaway that you can successfully accomplish that? Because I don't think the Foxtrot 204 can get to Sandpit Road, or the other road is beforehand.
I'll let whoever's in front of me, if they can get in front of the suspect vehicle, I'll let them call that as far as the straight stretch.
I'm just on the south side of Round Lake Center in the 60 zone. I can wait here. There's a short straightaway just south of me. I can turn around now and wait for you.
Okay, I might have passed you there. I'm just heading through a 60 zone now.
I'm on the other end of that 60 zone.
Okay, get ready. I'm just coming in around Lake Center. Get in front of this vehicle and box it in.
10-4.
10-4, coming up to divisions. 10-3, you guys set it up.
Mike 404, 10-4. I'll call from back here. But I'll be able to see you when you get in front of me there.
I'm waiting for you around the corner. Let me know when you hit Albert Street. I'll move out onto the roadway.
Passing Sawmill Lane.
Comm Center, what's the speed through that little village? Perfect.
Simpson Pit Road. Turning on Simpson Pit Road.
10-4, 102, can you set up a spike? I know you're south.
Turning on Simpson Pit right now. How far up do you want me from 60?
10-4, would mask be a good one?
Kisters go down about 200 meters. There's a fire pump turnaround, straight flat part before the stop sign to the highway. We're going to go to Mass Road and see if we can get on some pit. 102, 10-4.
404, I'm backing off here. His speeds are 100. He does not have a passenger side front wheel. Strong feeling he's not going to be able to maintain lane on Simpson Pit Road. 10-4.
4.
Turning down Buck Hill Road. 10-4. Buck Hill Road.
10-4, that's a dead end to Horseshoe up to Division. 204, can you go off and block that?
Yeah, I'll head up Division.
10-4, thank you.
Okay, Slip Bale, do we have K9 available?
Just for the comm center sergeant's info, this road's covered in snow, not divided.
Okay, 10-4. As long as we have a unit or two at Division Road and you two guys or whatever going down Buck Hill Road, there's no way out. And just hold back completely and then just regular speeds going in.
Three Foxtrot 204.
002, we get 4 units here.
10-4, but 204 is alone. Is that a good place on Division to set up another spike, or are you going to be able to block them in?
Well, we're on a straightaway here right now. I could try and set one up here.
10-4.
And Miller to Fabian with comm center's approval. If you went up to Division and Horseshoe, you could probably use your entire vehicle to block the lane there. And it's very narrow, no way to get around on the edges with comm center approval.
Comm Center, that's fine. As long as you don't put any of yourselves into jeopardy.
204, 10-4. There's a cruiser in front of me as well.
Mike 102, Kyle, ahead of you.
404, comm center search, speeds are 50. And I have no idea how he's able to keep control on this road here. I'm still about 100 meters back.
Okay, 10-4. Maintain that and keep us updated. The other units on Division Road, keep coming. We'll box them in rather than you guys waiting up there to see if he's going to come out. Just keep coming in the direction of Horseshoe Road.
102, 10 for you.
You guys are roughly perpendicular to each other on the map.
Speed 70. My lights are not activated.
4 noted.
No, just so you know, there is another snowmobile trail that'll connect with Rosick Road at the very top of Buck Hill.
Chris, there's 2 of us here on Buck Hill on comm center. Can you just let us know if, like, how close myself and Woody were going to be?
Yeah, 10-4. Both of you are roughly the same distance from Horseshoe Road. The units on Division, the units on Buck Hill.
No more.
Sorry, Mike 102, I can't see you, but 204 is about 1.5 from Horseshoe.
10-4. I'm with Fabian, so you can use his GPS.
10-4.
404, give us an update, please.
No change on speeds. He's reaching probably 75 to 80. Passing 926 Buck Hill Road.
10-4, you're 0.5 from Horseshoe.
Okay, we just turned down something. Horseshoe Road.
Mike 102, 204, Horseshoe Road. Are you there to block?
I don't see any traffic whatsoever.
4.
Somebody's in front of me and the suspect vehicle. Is that one of you guys?
Negative, I don't see anybody up ahead.
Units on division, do you have a point to set up just before Horseshoe? So when he rounds the corner, you're right there.
Coming up to what I think is this Horseshoe, I see the road sign.
10-4. The other units on Buck Hill are halfway up Horseshoe.
It's not one of us. So I'm backing right off here unless the comm center sergeant wants me to activate my lights. See if I can get that other vehicle to pull over.
No, back off completely. But keep the other vehicle out of the equation.
Other vehicle is in front of the suspect vehicle. Speed's down to 35.
204, we're at Horseshoe and Division. We're just going to block her right off here.
404, we copy that there's looks like another Dodge vehicle directly in front of suspect vehicle. It looks to be light gray in color or silver. 10-4.
204, that's 10-4. We're activating our lights now.
We're around the other vehicle.
10-4.
He's not going to stop, guys. He's not going to stop. Okay, he just stopped right in front of me.
10-4, can the other units close in? Can I get confirmation? Vehicle stopped?
Ike 202, vehicle stop, 3 in custody.
10-4, thank you.
Comm center out 10-4. Just confirm when you can. Any damage to any force vehicles?
Mike 202, little contact between 404 and the suspect vehicle to pin it in. Nothing major. No injuries apparent.